Ever feel like your AI is just guessing? Vague prompts lead to generic answers, until now. This research transforms AI from passive responders to proactive collaborators. Imagine planning a science fair. Instead of assumptions, a smart AI asks, "What's the student age range?" or specific experiments in mind. That's proactive clarification, digging for hidden details to make answers useful. The challenge: traditional models guess or ask vague questions. Real conversations are messy, users omit context. So researchers built a system that hunts for missing info. Using the DOLOMITES dataset, real-world tasks with hidden critical details, they trained AI to ask, which regulations apply when drafting a legal document? The key: a reward system teaching models to ask novel, context-aware questions. Think, what's the main goal, versus repeating memorized text. QN2, 5-7b outperformed others by 18% on tests. Human evaluators rated its questions 42% better, and answers 28% more accurate. Why? It collaborated, uncovering hidden details. This isn't just tech, it's a shift. AI that asks thoughtful questions becomes a thought partner. Imagine an AI that refines your queries. That's the future this research builds. Next time you chat, remember, the best AIs don't just respond, they engage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI's next big ideas. Until next time. Approx. 145 seconds.